Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of object pronouns. Object pronouns are essential in English grammar, and by the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid grasp of how to use them correctly. Let's get started. Object pronouns. What are they? Let's begin by defining object pronouns. Object pronouns are words that replace nouns as the direct or indirect object of a sentence. They help us communicate more concisely and avoid redundancy. Common object pronouns. Here are the most common object pronouns in English. Me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. These pronouns replace nouns that receive the action of the verb. Using object pronouns as direct objects. We use object pronouns as direct objects when they receive the action of the verb. Let's see some examples. In the sentence, she gave the book to me. Me is the direct object pronoun because it receives the action of gave. Here's another one. They invited him to the party. In this case, him is the direct object pronoun because it's the recipient of the action invited. Using object pronouns as indirect objects. We also use object pronouns as indirect objects when they receive the action indirectly. Let's explore this further. In the sentence, she sent us a gift. Us is the indirect object pronoun because it tells us to whom the gift is sent. Here's another one. He bought her flowers. In this case, her is the indirect object pronoun because it indicates who receives the flowers indirectly through the action of buying. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we conclude, let's highlight some common mistakes to watch out for when using object pronouns. One common mistake is confusing me with I or him with he in sentences. Remember that me and him are object pronouns, while I and he are subject pronouns. Another error to avoid is using the wrong object pronoun in sentences. Make sure the object pronoun matches the role it plays in the sentence. Practice exercises. Now that we've covered the basics, let's put your knowledge to the test with some practice exercises. I'll give you a sentence, and you can fill in the blank with the appropriate object pronoun. Complete these sentences. That brings us to the end of our object pronoun lesson. You now have a solid understanding of how to use me, you, him, her, it, us, and them as object pronouns. Keep practicing, and soon, it'll become second nature. Thank you for watching, and if you found this lesson helpful, please like and subscribe for more grammar lessons. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Happy learning! Stay tuned for more exciting grammar lessons, and until next time, keep perfecting your English language skills. Goodbye.